Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for an American Express credit card step by step. Whether you want rewards, travel perks, or just an Amex in your wallet, the process is simple. So let's get started. Before applying, make sure you're 18 or older, have a social security number, and ideally a credit score of 670 plus. Have your income and employment details ready too. First, go to americanexpress.com. At the top, hover over cards and select View All Cards. Browse the options and choose the card you want. Then click Apply Now. Now fill out the application form, your name, email, phone number, home address, date of birth, SSN, annual income, and your income source. Once everything looks correct, press Submit Application. Most people get an instant decision. If approved, Amex will show your credit limit and APR, and your card will arrive in 7 to 10 business days. If they need more information, they'll notify you by email or mail. You can also check your application status anytime at americanexpress.com/application status. And that's it. That's how to apply for an American Express credit card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.